Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your portfolio with E-Trade, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with E-Trade, visit their official website. Create an account by selecting the Open Account option. Enter your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Provide your employment information and financial details as prompted. Once your application is complete, review and submit it for approval. After receiving confirmation, log in to your new account. Familiarize yourself with the E-Trade dashboard and its features. Explore the available research tools to assess different investment options. Begin by diversifying your portfolio with a mix of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Consider using E*Trade's investment options tool to identify potential opportunities. Implement risk management strategies like setting stop-loss orders. Regularly monitor your portfolio's performance through the platform's tracking tools. Adjust your investment strategies in response to market changes and personal financial goals. Take advantage of E*Trade's educational resources to enhance your investment knowledge. Review your asset allocation periodically to ensure it aligns with your risk tolerance. Stay informed about economic news that could impact your investments. Use E*Trade's mobile app for convenient access to your portfolio on the go. Engage with customer service if you have questions or need assistance. Remember to reassess your investment strategy at least annually to stay on track. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.